Hi, so welcome to DCA. So as we have announced that the course for the NDA 2 2020 will be starting from 17 June. 70 days course you are aware of. All the details available on our YouTube channel. We have shared detailed plan, that is course brochure PDF has been sent to those whoever sent their number. I will try to keep this discussion in English. Reason, there are some students from South India who are attending the session, who are looking over the videos. So it will be comfortable for all of us. Anyhow, you are going to appear for NDA. That means you must be comfortable with English, right? So now I am going to talk about, as we announced the scholarship test, because fee was an issue for many of the students. So that's why we tried to announce, okay, let's filter out. If you are proving your worth, if you are proving your talent, why not we are going to provide you the coaching, of course, right? So that's why we came up with the idea of the scholarship test, okay? So we are conducting a mock test that is on 12th of June. Anyone can register. The first question, why the test? Reason, a lot of students who are needy ones, who might be from the X Academy, I told you in the previous videos, the reason, right? The second, who can appear? Whoever is interested in coaching, point one. Second, whoever is appearing for NDA exam, you can just cross check your preparation. आप अपनी प्रिपरेशन चेक करें, उसके लिए भी दे सकते हैं. It's not mandatory that if you are appearing for test, you are going to enter into the coaching or you have to join coaching. No. If you can appear for the test, you can top the test, second, third, जो भी rank आएगी, will be happy. Will be happy to help you in any kind. This is free of cost, no cost of test. Third, those students who are planning to write in the upcoming NDA exam, आगे भी देखना चाहते हैं. Third and the fourth, many of the students which I personally feel, जब मैसेज आते हैं, when we talk, we come to know that majority of the candidates, I repeat majority, that means out of 100, around 60 to 70 are not even aware that NDA has its own syllabus as mentioned on the UPSC notification. You can also cross check from the official website of UPSC NDA syllabus, PDF करो, आपके पास आ जाएगी, right? So आप syllabus देखेंगे, you can learn about the quality of question what UPSC is. We are going to conduct test exactly on the UPSC exam level of NDA, right? So many of the students who have registered by this time, now there were some questions, sir, what will be the syllabus? First, what will be the exam date? Third, second, the third one, what is the syllabus means? From where the questions you are going to be? What is the duration? Right? So these all things I am going to discuss in this video. Third thing, the syllabus. Now, one thing is sure, that test is only on the DCA mobile app. We do have our own mobile app from which we conduct online class. There is no YouTube class. There is no YouTube test. There is no PDF which is going to be sent. There is a scheduled time on 12th of June, right? From 10 o'clock in the morning to 8 o'clock in the night, you can appear for the test, but you will be given only 90 minutes within that. If you start test, you have, if you submit it, whether after 1 minute or 2 minutes, your test is done. You cannot reappear. That means you have to find out your 90 minutes. आपको जो 90 मिनट, 1.5 घंटे आपको अकेले बैठना है, आराम से टेस्ट देना, बीच में डिस्टर्ब नहीं होना चाहिए, राइट? ये आपकी जिम्मेदारी है, because we can't help in that. It's up to your honesty. What is the syllabus, right? आप टेस्ट देते हो तो आप सोचते हो यार पूछेगा क्या, कैसे तैयारी करें. तैयारी आप बहुत कुछ नहीं कर सकते, but what is the syllabus? Format of the test. Format is 90 minutes test, yes. Does it consist of maths? Yes, maths as well as GAT. दोनों हैं. Now, how many questions of mathematics? 32 questions, 40 minutes. Why? Because UPSC also gives you the NDA exam paper. You can find out each question is around 75 seconds, right? 1 minute and something, 15 seconds. तो exactly on the pattern, जितना वो टाइम देते हैं, उसी हिसाब से मैंने इसको डिजाइन किया है. वो आपको 150 मिनट में 2.5 hours में you are going to have 120 question, same pattern. So that is of 80 marks. So maths is of 80 marks. GAT. So GAT is around, the total questions will be 50 for the 50 minutes. That is 90 minutes total, 50 plus 40. Right? Now one information that if you are looking for, the question will be of class 9th, 10th level, because majority question will be from science, because you people might be comfortable with the science by this time. Right? So इसलिए we tried. You can look over any 9th, 10th book, whether it is Tamil Nadu state book, whether it is UP board, whether it is CBSE board or ICSE board, anything. I cannot specify that exactly NCERT because ICSE वाले बच्चे will feel disadvantaged, right? So 9th, 10th standard application type as mentioned in NDA syllabus, right? After the paper, I will give you an insight. Okay, this question was from this page, this level, this class, right? So that you can believe that actually the questions were of 9th 10th standard level, strictly as per UPSC standard. जो भी टॉपिक उन्होंने लिखा है उसी से आएगा क्वेश्चन. रेफरेंस ऑफ 9th 10th के लिए, मैथ्स के लिए, of course math syllabus is of 11th 12th. That means the maths question will be the broadly 11th 12th mathematics. You can assume 60% of 11th and 40% of 12th. Reason, there are some students who have just entered into plus 2, तो उनके लिए 60% 11th और 40% 12th का रहेगा. Anyhow, of course, तो आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. Now you know that if you are going to score, already discussed actually, you are scoring 50% plus or 40% plus, you are going to have an opportunity to get up to 100% discount in the fee. That is free live class, free notes, free test, everything. But you have to prove your worth. Now the second part, how much question will be there in English? Out of 50 GAT questions, 50 GAT, 20 will be from English. Why 20? क्योंकि अपने को दूसरा भी करना है. Now out of English, we are not going to give synonyms and antonyms in this test. Reason, you can Google it. So many of the students might be looking for Google. So that means हमने synonyms and antonyms देना है. What will be there? Comprehension, passage, NDA का part है. Fill in the blanks, NDA में आते हैं, right? Sentence rearrangement, right? PQRS, NDA का part है. Spotting errors, you have to find the errors. Around 10 questions are there in NDA. So these 4 sections will be there. No synonyms, no antonyms. Next, no idiom and phrases, right? वो actual NDA में आ सकता है, but अपने को 20 में adjust करना है, so that we can check upon your knowledge. Cramming नहीं चाहिए अपने को. Next, out of 20 is English, out of 50, 20 is English. That means 30 is GS. What is GS? There will be 9 questions of physics, 7 of chemistry, 5 of bio, 4 of geography, 2 of current affairs, and 3 for history polity section. So we are going to take each and every section according to the weightage assigned in NDA. You can see out of 100 GS question, physics is the highest weightage. उसी हिसाब से हमने किया है, right? 9, 7, 5, 4, तो total this is 30 GS question, right? तो आपको इस तरह से पेपर मिलेगा. 90 minutes you have to, of course, maths and GAT will be separate, right? Maths आप खत्म करेंगे, with the gap of 5 minutes you have to start with the GAT. Both times will be different, of course, right? So that all details will be sent to you. When after you register for the test, right, you will get a message tomorrow evening, whoever is registered, that okay, you have been registered. Second, your time is this to this, you can attempt like this, and we will be sharing you our mobile app link which you can download on your laptop or phone, जो भी आप comfortable हो, right? Laptop is better, phone is also good, whatever you are comfortable with, जिसमें आपको आराम लगे, आप download करें, let us know, right? Then we'll give you the access of the test on 12th, right? Reference study material, I told you, previous year question, of course, and the basic standard books. NCERT is commonly followed, but I say that any one 9th 10th level, but every question will be from the NDA syllabus, right? Third, after the test, apart from the marks, आपके जो marks आएंगे वो तो अलग चीज है. We'll produce a rank list, आपको share किया जाएगा, आपको भी पता रहेगा कितना marks है. When you submit, you will get the marks. Right? We will be sharing you the question, that is GS question, okay, page number of the book and the line from where we have taken the question, so that you can understand how UPSC can play with the book which you have. आपके पास होता है सब कुछ book, पढ़ते भी हो, but there is something which you miss between the lines. This is UPSC. So this test, you can feel the heat of the UPSC, you can check your standard preparation, right? So how much you are prepared. Remember, there is only a slight difference between ordinary and extraordinary people. Ordinary and extraordinary aspirants, that is practice. Practice makes you perfect, right? So if we are, Team DCA is committed to, involve its 100% efficiency, right? Are you prepared? Are you thinking of giving your 100%? If yes, then this 70 days DCA challenge is for you. Hope you all have gone through all this discussion. To register, WhatsApp your details, name, location at 77-105-48960. Any questions, queries, do write us. Thank you. All the best for the test.